You want to wake up early, before the sun, before the chaos, before the world even realizes you're ahead of it. But every time that alarm rings, it feels like an enemy, like something is dragging your soul back into the sheets, pulling you into another hour of, I'll try again tomorrow. What if I told you there's a system? A way to wake up at 5 a.m., 4 a.m., even 3:59 a.m., without feeling exhausted, without feeling like you got hit by a truck, and actually wake up clear-headed, sharp, and unstoppable. Let's break the whole thing open. This is how you wake up early without feeling like death. The real problem. Most people fail to wake up early for 3 simple reasons. 1. Your sleep schedule is garbage. 2. Your brain is addicted to dopamine before bed. 3. You don't have a wake-up system, you have a wake-up gamble. Waking up early has nothing to do with motivation. It's about outsmarting your brain when it's at its dumbest, right after waking up. So let's build your anti-zombie morning system. Dominate your nights. The PM protocol. The battle for the morning is won the night before. Your brain is a machine. Start treating it like one. 1. The 90-minute sleep cycle rule. You don't sleep in hours, you sleep in cycles. Each cycle is 90 minutes. 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles. 6 hours equals 4 cycles. 7.5 hours equals 5 cycles. Sweet spot. 9 hours equals 6 cycles. Recovery mode. But 6 hours 30 minutes? That's waking up in the middle of a deep sleep cycle. That's, why do I feel like I died last night? Energy. Calculate your bedtime backwards from your wake-up time. Land on a full cycle. Your brain will thank you. 2. The dopamine shutdown window, 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. If you go to bed with your brain overstimulated, your sleep quality dies. Here's the shutdown protocol. No screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light equals melatonin murder. Dim your room. Warm, yellow lighting. Cave mode activated. Read something fictional, slow, calming. Stretch or journal, but don't plan your life, don't solve problems, don't chase thoughts. No intense emotions. No horror movies, no heartbreak playlists, no overthinking your existence at 2 a.m. Treat your brain like a child. Calm it, quiet it, put it to sleep the right way. 3. Optional sleep support. Magnesium glycate, chamomile ashwagandha or lemon balm tea, light hydration, not the wake up at 3 a.m. because your bladder declared war kind. Disclaimer, consult a professional if needed. Master the first 5 minutes. Wake up war zone. These first minutes will decide everything because your prefrontal cortex, the rational part, is still rebooting. Meanwhile, your emotional brain is screaming, I'm tired, I hate this, let's go back to sleep. So you need a zero thinking plan, a ritual that doesn't ask your brain for permission. 1. The 3-second rule. Alarm rings, count. 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Don't negotiate, don't reason, move. 2. Alarm across the room. Mission mode. Rename your alarm. Get up or die, bro. Wake up, future millionaire. Snooze equals failure. Make it annoying. Make it impossible to ignore. 3. Cold water activation. Cold face splash. Cold shower. Ice cube chew if you're dramatic. Shock your nervous system into alert mode. 4. Light before sight. Turn on a bright light or step outside. Sunlight kills melatonin in seconds. If it's still dark, use a daylight lamp. Reset your circadian rhythm instantly. Build your morning power circuit. You're up. You're awake. Now lock it in. A 3-step power circuit, 10 to 15 minutes total. 1. Movement, 1 to 5 minutes. Push-ups, jumping jacks, quick yoga stretch. Tell your body, we're online. 2. Mindset, 2 to 3 minutes. Read a quote. Journal 1 sentence. What kind of person do I want to be today? Visualize yourself executing. 2 minutes only. 3. Mission, 2 to 5 minutes. Look at your number 1 task. Set a 3 goal max for the day. Say out loud, let's go build. Lock in the habit for life. You're not just waking up early. You're becoming the kind of person who wakes up early. 1. Habit loop anchoring. Every time you wake up early, celebrate it. Say, I'm a beast. I'm winning. I don't negotiate with comfort. That's dopamine. That's identity. That's how habits stick. 2. Identity shift mantra. Start saying this. I don't wake up early to be productive. I wake up early because I'm building a version of myself no one has ever seen. Say it until it becomes your truth. 3. Don't break the chain. Use a calendar or habit tracker. Every early wake up equals 1 mark. Your only job? Don't break the streak. Even 1 early morning per week is progress. If you fail, you restart. That's how winners are built, 1 disciplined morning at a time. Final message. Waking up early isn't extreme, it's control. Most people start their day late, rushed, reactive. But you're starting your day on your terms, quiet, focused, intentional. You are no longer a slave to the snooze button. You are the one pressing play on your life. Drop a comment. What time are you waking up tomorrow? Declare it. Make it real. Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving mornings and start owning them. Share this with someone who sleeps like a rock but wants to rise like a warrior.